Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do an unboxing of the Sassy Planner Nerd stickers that I have bought. This particular Instagram store is one of my favorite stores for sticker kits. There are very few local brands that do such kind of sticker kits, and I absolutely love everything that they do, especially their quality. So let's just get into the video. This is very beautifully wrapped. Oh wow, I see a freebie already. Beautiful. So let's keep it aside. So this is how it all came wrapped. Oh, I can just slide everything. So this is a very cute pink tissue paper, and then I see whatever things that I've ordered. The first thing, I think this is the Valentine's Day bundle. It is slightly late for the Valentine's Day, but it's still very cute. So as you can see, the foiling on this is pink. And this is the Valentine's Day bundle. I absolutely love it. The color theme is beautiful. And this is a solid bundle. Oh wow. There are date dots, which are again that pink foiled. Functional ones, which are also pink foiled. So I absolutely love it. So in this bundle I have 3 sheets that are foiled, which is in this pink red foil theme. So as you can see, this is the 3 sticker sheets that are foiled, and then there are a lot of functional stickers like these. Wow. And some date dots and another functional sticker sheet. Absolutely love this kit. Then we have, I don't know what this is, but this is so cute. It says my name on it, and I'm not sure what this is. Let me see. Okay. I'm not sure if I've ordered all of these. Wow, this is so cute. These are freebies. I'll just add this one to this as well. Oh wow, this is so cute. Oh my god, look at this foiled thingy. Wow, this is a lot. This is so good. And this really cute planner cart sticker. Wow, this is really nice. If you've not known, the sticker quality is very different. If you touch it, it is absolutely matte. You can write on this with a ballpoint pen or any sort of pen from this. So I absolutely love these quality of stickers, and they make my planner look so pretty. So absolutely love this. And the envelope that she sent is also so pretty. Wow, this is the thing that I was awaiting the most. This is one of the freebies, and I actually went ahead and made this purchase only for this freebie. This is a sticker book. So reusable sticker book, to be precise. So here, whatever my extra stickers are, I can go ahead and stick them here and then use it. Wow. Oh, there is another freebie inside of this, or maybe I ordered this, I'm not sure. So there is one other sticker. Since I have ordered this about 2 months ago, I don't remember what all I have ordered, but this is I think I had ordered this one as well. So this reusable sticker kit is absolutely beautiful. Just look at it. Some of my sticker sheets are such that only 2-3 stickers are left on each sheet. So this book will come in really handy where I want to put up all my stickers at one place. This also can come in handy if I want like a quick reference for my planning. And this is a very, very thin book, so can be carried along. Wow, there is another envelope. I think I'd ordered one of the Oops grab bags. Oh, I remember this. So this foiled kit, I had my eyes on this kit for a while. So I have a fresh kit also, and I have ordered for a Oops kit as well, because this kit just looked so pretty, and in person it looks even prettier. It has golden foiling on it, and it is beautiful. I think everything in this, it doesn't look like an Oops kit. Let's just compare it to the actual kit that I have ordered. Sakshi does this really cool oops bags and things like that. So as you can see, this is the actual kit and this is the oops kit. I don't really see a lot of difference. So Oops kits are actually very, very well priced kits as well. Sometimes there is a miscut here and there, but with this kit I don't see any miscuts as such. But yeah, this is the exact same kit, but not an Oops pack. This is an actual kit. I absolutely love this. Beautiful, just beautiful. This is a larger kit again. This is my repurchase. I had purchased this, I think, last year. This was their Magical Nights kit, and I absolutely loved this. That is the reason I have reordered them all over again. So this is again one of the other kits that I have ordered, and there are more kits here. Okay, so this is again one of the other kits. I'm completely forgetting their names, but this is another kit that I've ordered. There is one more. I think this is the Around the World kit. I intend to use this when I'm on vacation, whenever that happens this year. Wow, this is so pretty. Just, I'm in awe of the beautiful paper that they use. This is again chocolate and wine sort of kit. Perfect. So that is it. This is all I think I have from Sassy Planner Nerd, and I love everything. Their quality is amazing. The designs are beautiful, and especially I think the highlight of my this order was this kit. I have ordered two, obviously, because I love this kit, the color theme, everything so much. So this is all I have got with my order. Of course, my favorite is the reusable sticker book, and I have elaborate plans for this book, and however I'm using this, I will keep you all updated. So that is it from this video. Please do let me know if you have any other requests for video. I'll be happy to do it. If you've come so far watching this video, I'm truly grateful for you. Thank you for watching. I'll take your leave. Bye now.